All right, example 4, find the limit. So again, we're going to try direct substitution if it works. So here is my function. And let's look at the domain of the function. The domain. So basically, what are the possible x values that I could plug in here? Okay. So we know for a square root function that x squared plus 4, that has to be greater than or equal to 0, right? Okay. So basically, we would have to be able to plug in an x value here that would make this negative. That would tell me the domain values that it cannot be. Okay. Well, this is x squared, so no matter what x value that I plug in here, that's going to be positive, right? Positive plus a positive is going to be a positive, so a positive is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, the domain of this function is all reals. Okay? So if the domain of this function is all reals, that means no matter what value x is approaching, direct substitution will work. So f of 0 equals 0 squared plus 4, which equals the square root of 4, which equals 2. So this answer would be 2.